Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change payment method on Temu. So let's head over to the Temu app, then click on U icon, then click on Settings. From here, you should be able to see your payment methods. And from here, you can add a credit or debit card that you can use as your payment method. Next is let's go to cart. And let's try checking out this item. And as you can see, you can always change your payment methods before you can completely check out your items. And if you have added your card or debit card from earlier, that should reflect in this checkout page. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily change the payment option on Temu. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!